Hey, it's Lindsay at WTI. Are you looking to add a little exercise into your life, but you don't know where to start? I have this LSRZSPORT treadmill that I absolutely love. Let's take a look. This compact treadmill packs such a punch budget-wise as well as usefulness. I love that this handlebar can fold down and you can slide it right under your bed or couch. That way it's easy storage. When it comes to functionality, I love that you have this flip top so you can put your cell phone or your tablet, as well as the buttons. It makes it so easy to just start your walk. The display here makes it easy to see how many calories you're burning, the speed you're going, and how long you've been on it, so you can keep track of all of your fitness needs. It also comes with a really cool little remote, and you can see it easily speeds up or slows down your speed so that you can match the walk to what you need. Really, the whole family loves it. It's great for those days that maybe it's too cold to go outside or you're just too busy, but you need a little bit of a walk. But if you want a good workout, this thing will go fast too. Now, safety for me, having young ones around, is really important. It has this emergency stop button that will almost immediately stop the treadmill, and you cannot start it until this red piece here is flipped all the way up. So if you're looking to add some exercise in your life and you want to start with something that is going to be great for any lifestyle, I highly recommend this LSRZSPORT treadmill. But that's just my point of view.